Doodle! Call!
Mostly I'm just a creator.
He's being humble. He's the stylist for 2 Chainz.
And I don't want to point the finger, but it's Virgil's fault. Bruh, look at this teacher.
Alright guys, remember what I told you guys? You just gotta keep shit pushing, right? What are we doing, Josh? We throwing away the blacks?
Yeah, we gotta throw away the blacks and then we gotta restock the red because red is the only one that's popping.
We're throwing away all the blacks so that way we're not selling faulty inventory and faulty products to our customers. We'll take it to the chin.
These nuts were low against your chin.
And then whatever other colors we have left, we just letting them go for $10. Mind you, we paid $20 for these.
You know, we gotta get these out of here, you know.
Josh, man, throw them away.
Yeah, man. Let's see what's going on with these. So, you know, these was the 14 ones. Sun dry, let's see.
No way, no.
That's no, bro, no. That was too easy, bro. I ain't that strong. Like, I got the muscles. Like, you see the muscles. But I ain't that strong, bro. Let's try this real quick. See?
It's crazy.
That's crazy. Now I ain't even gonna lie, I didn't know it was like this. Like out the bag, I thought it was just like heat. It's not heat. Look, I ain't never did that shit with nothing in my life. Let's just tell you something like that. Oh, shit like this make me mad. I just cropped my hoodie like that. Look at that, crop hoodie. Misunderstood. It's through the HUD. The HUD is the thickest part to me. Whoa, double layered, and I'm still ripping. It's crazy. 8-tail star. Fuck out of here. Oh, doodle. Oh,
Oh, dude, ass.
yo, we ass. Oh. You ain't no gussa.
Victor's uncle today pulled up on me. He pulled up on us. He's gonna show us what he got.
You know, like the falsa and they sell in the gas stations. This is the one.
This is the gas station tea.
Tia, man.
Tia. What does Tia stand for?
It's just a word in Bangladesh.
Oh, bird.
Yeah.
You trapping them birds.
Birds. I'll tell you some birds, man.
How much is this?
We're selling it for $32 a dozen.
$32 a dozen.
From small to 6XL, $8.99 each.
This is tough. I'm be honest with you. We selling our shirts at $275 right now.
You can come and see us in Johnstown, Ohio.
What's in Ohio?
Johnstown, Ohio, man. Columbus, Ohio. We have the White House and the showroom as well.
Not solid basics, right? Salted basics.
Right.
Salted basics.
Salted basics.
I like the logo. You guys see the D and the B? DB. Catch the logo.
We can make you anything you want.
Anything.
Anything. Anything.
This is from your other uncle, Ali.
Other cousin.
Yeah, your other cousin. You can make stuff like this. Shit
We
is
can
good.
make anything. We can make anything you want.
Ali, you hear that? He said you can make anything you want. Ali, you got some competition, Ali.
And the competition is in Ohio.
In Ohio.
In the US. Nobody has to go to Pakistan anymore. We supply to Disney. We supply to Big Lot, Homage.
That's
we
crazy.
We supply all the high-end stuff, man.
Yeah.
We're happy to bring you in and see what we have.
I don't know about going to Ohio.
I'll fly you in.
I think Sam wants to go. Joseph would want to go to Ohio. If they wanted to find you in the vlogs, how could they find you? If they wanted to order gas station teas or they wanted to import with you, where could they find you?
Liam Sourcing, tiashirts.com, call or text.
Or you guys can pull up to Columbus, Ohio.
Columbus, Ohio.
Thank you so much,
Oh,
man.
no, thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
I will say there's nothing like sales life. How long you been on the road?
I drove yesterday.
You drove from Columbus, Ohio.
Yeah, because, you know, I need to stop at Cincinnati, Kentucky, meet the people.
You're a road warrior.
Yes, sir.
Tia, my boy flipping them birds.
I'm flipping some birds, man.
Call.
I look like...
No, you look good.
Really?
Yeah, you gotta get in where you fit in.
He wants to be misunderstood.
Misunderstood, you said?
Only the real deal exclusives get to come into this side. Me and Blue been knowing each other for years. He was here when we didn't have any of this shit. These are some of the samples though.
Oh, these are great.
These are crazy. Cropped, boxy.
When are these coming in?
Probably in the fall, winter time.
I think these are coming in this summer.
These are coming in too.
These are a set too.
Oh, this one's crazy. This is a 700 GSM hoodie. It's damn near a blanket.
Pants too?
Yeah.
You selling them as sets?
Yeah.
This is all dope.
Just doubling down, bro. All money in. These are a little bit crazier.
First round. These are tier pizza.
What we'll do with these is we'll just do one run. Like we don't want to restock these. Those will try to keep it stocked. He's not high. He's just something. He's something wrong. I don't know. He's Paulin. This is the director of digital. He's the one that does all this stuff.
So here in Atlanta, we don't have a fashion industry. It's a non-existent fashion industry. He's the only game in town. I'm trying to build a community. So I live in LA, right? So if we go downtown LA, we want to have it here. Sourcing, production, everything, vertical integrated.
Can you tell them what you do on your regular day job?
Day in the life of a blue
You always on the private planes.
Wardrobe stylist, product developer, content creator, creative director, but mostly I'm just a creator.
He's being humble. He's the stylist for 2 Chainz. How do you get to that position?
I had parties. There was a DJ that worked for Hot 97, Chris Lover. He DJ'd my parties. In exchange, I gave him product. That's how the store began. We created a clothing line called CP Time. Still here now, own a factory out in LA. Everything is creatively from Atlanta, from music to culture to style. We want to bring a little bit more to the forefront of the real people that's behind it. You'll never get to meet the real designers who design for these brands. I'm just trying to make it happen for everybody here in the city.
So we have these new 2-panel shirts coming out. We should probably do a vlog where we introduce the characters, but this is Vivek, director of digital. He's also fucking blasted as fuck, so let me know if I should fire him or what. I don't know who comes to work looking like this. So we have these shirts coming. We're doing, what are we shooting? We're shooting
Cash K.
That's where it comes from? Cash K, the influencer kids, got me onto these shoes, you know what I'm saying? In tune with the youth. Because he did the Superline commercial, now he's gonna get what? Gap because of us?
Yeah, maybe.
Or we're gonna get bigger because of him. A little bit of both.
I think it goes both ways.
Cash K is gonna blow up, guys. I think in the next couple years, he'll be doing crazier campaigns and we won't be able to afford his rate. It's kind of the model. Get them early, help them build their careers, grow together. He will be on the cover of like Louis Vuitton or one of those.
5 to 10 years, maybe
Yeah,
less.
5 to 10 years, he'll be in that space. He'll be way out of our league. So they're gonna go shoot Cash K. They're gonna shoot these 2-panel shirts, and then they're gonna shoot these zip ups that we have coming in soon too. Also, we got these in. One of our partners, Koo, over at Made. He comes up with the craziest concoctions. I don't even know what this is.
He calls it the Louis something. Louis hoodie.
It's a wax? What is this?
I don't know how to describe it.
We gotta put it on.
It's like
for-
waxed, but it's not like super waxed. Fire.
It's almost like a PU leather. It looks like a leather zip up, but it's not leather. This would be like a meat stick. He should have called this. He should have called this the meat stick set. It's cool though. It's different. I mean, you gotta have swag to wear this shit. I'll tell you that much.
Are we selling this?
If you're buying it, we selling it. If you're not buying it, we not selling it. So let us know in the comments. But yeah, now they're gonna probably get to cinematic shot to them going to Cash K.
Let go.
Alright y'all, we're downtown Atlanta, Cash K, shooting some product with Misunderstood Quay. Cash, introduce yourself. Like, what do? You make music, you make videos, you're in school, like.
I like to call myself a modern day renaissance man. But nah, I go to GSU, I'm a student, I make content on the internet, a lot of like fashion content, I make music as well, I model of course. I'm getting to skits now, so I guess I'm a comedian. I just do anything that I find is cool. I just like to have fun and document it. People enjoy the content, so we gonna rock out like that.
What do you think about the products now that you've seen them?
So I ain't gonna lie, I've been needing like the perfect everyday zip up, and I feel like it's like an essential, you know what I'm saying? The tees that fit good, stops right below the waistline, excuse me, or the belt line. The quality feels amazing as well, and I'm not gonna sit here and boost it. Like, I've had some bad tees before, so I appreciate the hospitality, man. And you know, I had to ask if I could keep the pieces, and they said yes, so guess what we're gonna do? Keep the pieces.
Y'all seen all of our new pics, Play, the mastermind, making our website fire. What do you think about the pics?
I feel like they look dope. Keep it a whole band with you, I feel like I'm more excited to see the video though, especially on the gimbal too. Like, it's giving real cinematics, so I'm excited, man. Are these gonna go on the site, or like, are y'all gonna post these?
We'll post some reels.
I'm ready.
I copped these while shooting, bro. Eric got mad at me. My bad, Eric.
Handle with care, do your heart shit. Show them that. Handle with care, man. You got the gallery department vans. And it's funny because as we were taking pictures, I seen him make a sneaker sale. And I was like, bro, no way they're making a sneaker sale in the middle of a photo shoot. We started talking about like whether sneaker culture was dead. At first, my idea was like, all right, sneaker culture's dead because, bro, we're not buying Jordans no more. Like, I remember being that kid on Kicks on Fire. I used to be checking every Friday for new Jordans, and I had to stop. Why do I not care about shoes anymore? And it's when I got to Rick Owens, more Supreme, Off-White, but just higher fashion.
A van is 60 bucks, but I paid 200 for these. Do you think collabs are just like outlandish now?
I feel like collabs made it where it's like you have two worlds that can intertwine. Gator culture meets like streetwear. I feel like collabs like this are necessary, and especially to this conversation, this is like the pinnacle of it, right? Like, you have gallery department, which is like your higher end streetwear, but then you have like your everyday $60 van. Those worlds meshing together. I had the idea that I feel like, and I don't want to point the finger, but it's Virgil's fault. Virgil did this, bro. Bro, Supreme did a collab with Louis Vuitton. Think about the ethos between Louis Vuitton and the ethos between Supreme, that they were able to seamlessly like bind worlds and make something that was for the public. Virgil's work at Louis Vuitton bridged the gap between streetwear culture and then your higher end fashion culture. And I feel like, let me not say died down sneaker culture, but like,
I feel like it like over fluctuated.
yeah. Louis Vuitton trainers are now getting paired with Mike Amiri jeans and like a V-Lone tee, and that's like streetwear in Atlanta. Atlanta at least. I feel like without Virgil, would we even have a collab like this?
Crazy to think that like one collab with Nike and Virgil all of a sudden created this whole wave of high-end streetwear and all that.
Like, it almost makes you think, like, is streetwear at this point high fashion? Think about it, streetwear prices are even like, bro, you're paying $300, $400 for a tee. Before, that was like abysmal. Like, bro, that's hella expensive. That's like Louis Vuitton prices. But like now, that's like the norm. Literally, this is like a week ago, Margiela did a collab with Supreme. Streetwear and high-end fashion are like one at this point. He's tough though, Clint. Yeah, that's the one right there. Y'all gonna make a Dropbox so I can have these? Yeah. Alright, man, send no more. I'm just cheesing solid. Yeah, this is a crazy story time. Bruh, fuck this teacher. And I hate to be this guy, but I gotta say, I was taking a course called 2700. My teacher was reading our presentation every class. So I was like, you know what? Bet. I did all the work. I submitted every assignment and I did every test. I was skipping to go get content because I was like, bro, everything you're saying is on this PowerPoint. You're reading it verbatim. I'm finna just look at the PowerPoint on my own time, and then during the class, go make some money instead. So I was skipping class. She gave me a 0 for participation. Bro, my grade dropped from like a 94 to like a 76. Remember that 76? It was a prerequisite to start my major. You had to have a GPA of 2.5 approved or higher. A 76 is a 2.6. Once the final grade hit pause, she gave me a D. So I'm emailing her saying, yo, like, I can't start my major. Like, you gave me a D. And she was like, due to your participation, you were absent majority of class, my grade is final. I was like, damn, how can you decide what grade you feel like is like best for me? Okay, boom, you can give me a 0 for participation, but like we're both seeing this 76. So like she just made where I couldn't start my film major. I had to switch, like it was crunch time. So she just put me in a whole spiel. That was a quick little story time. But that teacher, it is what it is though. We still rocking out, we still gonna do our thing, but like damn gang, that's how you feel? Like if you're saying college isn't worth it, bro, you gotta really think about that holistically. College like made me realize like I love communication, I love networking, and I didn't know those aspects of myself until I went to school. So if you about to go to college, bro, and you considering it, like do your social media, get in your influencer bag. If I can do it, you can too, but you gotta go to school, gang. Like I ain't gonna lie. And you can meet the females too. Like I met the love of my life at school. It hit different. You know what I'm saying? So go to school, man. Everybody watching this, Cascade Stantic, go to school. The first time I seen Cardi was like, it was 2018 in Kansas City, Dialect Tour. Sheck West had opened up. That was my introduction to Sheck West. And then like Mo Bamba went viral. I think that's why I became such like a big Cardi fan, because that was my first ever concert going like musically. Concert? First concert? Just seeing people mosh, I was like, yo, Cardi's sick. Like, and then I went to a whole lot of Red in 2020. State Farm.
My little cousin was there and he sent me a video, and it's him and Yachty. And Yachty's in the pit at State Farm.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Damn, I didn't know that. What? I feel like a lot of people don't understand, and I sound like I'm glazing right now, but it's just real. Just seeing the progression from 2018 to now, artistry, even having a guitarist and like having people on stage, and it says like backup dancers, not even like trying to be like negative in that type of light, but like that's what they are considered if he's like the main act. Doing that as like a rapper, it's like, bro, there's much more to the art. No shade to Lil Baby, but you have those type of artists that put on a show, but it's just them as the solo act. Whereas I feel like Cardi's, it's like an experience sort of thing, and that's what I really appreciate.
He's like a true artist.
Cardi, bro, the experimental side of him is just like too crazy.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, that wraps up the shoot in downtown Atlanta. Cascade, Superline Wholesale, first shoot, going crazy. Quay, you want to say anything?
Keep the hat too. You go to Atlanta, gotta see the peach embroidery. We got the best of best peaches out here.
Black screen. What's the thing you do? This, yeah.